This is a professional resume of Albert which I have created within 5 minutes. To create this format, I have taken my old resume and a single prompt, and I have taken the help of AI, which is Claude. This resume is created as per today's market demand. On the left hand side, we can see all the details of the person, and on the right hand side, we can see all the details regarding the job. Let's come down, and over here we can see all the work experience. Let's come down. We have got key achievements and impact over here. On the left hand side, we have got graphs also. And at the end, we have got personal developments. On the left hand side, even we have got certifications and core values. This is a 2-page resume. Let's go on top. Let me show you the old resume once. This is the old resume, and with the help of this resume, we are going to create new one. To create new one, we will have to go to Google search. I have opened my Google search. Over here, I'll look for Claude. On top, we can see Claude AI. I'll click over here. The very first thing on top is Claude sign in. We have to select this. So I have opened my Claude AI. Now we will upload our old resume. We'll come to plus sign and we'll click over here. We can see add files or photos. I'll click on this. This is my old resume. We'll come down and we'll click on upload. Old resume got uploaded. Now we will provide a prompt over here. Let me show you the prompt. This is my prompt, and the prompt is really very simple. I'm asking Claude AI to create a professional resume of 2 pages. Size will be A4 sheet and it will be in Word file. Remove all unnecessary things due to which I'm not getting shortlisted or selected. Add things which are required and make this resume stronger and eye-catching. Add icons and graphs as per requirement. No empty spaces in the whole resume. Decide color and design as per current trend. As per your requirement, you can create the prompt. Now I'll select all and we'll copy this. Ctrl C or Command C and we'll go to Claude AI and we'll paste my prompt. Ctrl V or Command V. Now I'll hit enter and my resume is getting created. It may take some time to create the resume. Totally depends on your internet speed. And our resume got created. Let's come to left hand side and let's come down. Over here Claude AI has provided us 2 things. One is image and second is our Word file. I'll download the Word file and my file got downloaded. Let me show you. This is my Word file. Let's open this. We can edit this as per our requirement. In case we want to take the name in the center, we can. Just notice. Even we can take rest of the details in center. If you want to place your picture over here, it can be done. On the left hand side, we can see all the details, and below that details with company name. We can see over here, and the file is fully editable. At the bottom, we have got percentage of key achievements. Over here, we can see 105%. Let's do 100%. And below that, we have got area of expertise. So in this way, you can create your own resume with the help of Claude AI, and that too within minutes. I'll provide the prompt in description box. In case you want to copy, you can.